Changing the phone number on your Epic Games account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your information quickly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Epic Games website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email associated with your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your username or profile icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select the phone number section. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled Account or Security. Here, you will find the option to manage your phone number. Step 4. Update your phone number. Click on the option to change or update your phone number. Enter your new phone number and follow any prompts to verify it, which may include receiving a verification code via SMS. Step 5. Save changes. After verifying your new phone number, make sure to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation that your phone number has been updated successfully. By following these steps, you can easily change the phone number associated with your Epic Games account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Epic Games support for assistance.